I'm meteorologist Gil Rosette. I'm in Daly's Pond in South River, New Jersey on this Wednesday afternoon, once again mentioning the stickiness in the air, the warm temperatures, that feel of spring and summer for the area this week as we got rid of that storm and the gloominess from last weekend. The pattern has changed. We felt it earlier this week already on Monday, yesterday as well. Today a little bit of a change as far as the sky cover is concerned. A little onshore wind, a persistent wind off the ocean, kind of keeping the clouds locked in, but we do expect those clouds to break, and if it does it soon enough, we'll still look for those highs to reach between 80 and 85, particularly higher across southern New Jersey where there have been some more breaks, and a little lower on the low side, maybe upper 70s for New York City and parts of Long Island, and coastal locations for the south shore of Long Island and coastal New Jersey. As the sea breezes kick in every afternoon, that will likely keep those areas around 70 degrees today. As far as precipitation, that weather front still not close enough really to allow a high coverage and a high percentage chance of rain, but a pop-up shower or thunderstorm can be expected later today. There are a couple now across northwestern sections of New Jersey, and more of that may arrive for that area later today, and more of the area may see a shower or thunderstorm this evening or tonight. Speaking of tonight's temperatures, they won't drop too much to the upper 60s to around 70 degrees. That's overnight, and particularly the wake up tomorrow on your Thursday. And I think we'll start the day on the cloudy side for Thursday as well, maybe even a few showers moving in as early as mid to late morning. That is the sign, or those showers are the signs, the first signs finally of that weather front making its way into our neck of the woods. Now, you've heard of the story of that weather front out west in the middle part of the country, all the severe weather and the tornadoes. When this weather front arrives here, the weather models continue to indicate that it will weaken. So I think the threat for us, not so much the severe weather, tornadoes, wind damage, hail, that kind of thing, more in line of, let's say, flooding rains and heavy downpours. There will be a tropical feel to the air tomorrow, and that will just feed off the showers will feed off of that tropical moisture. So heavy downpours, localized flooding, I think, is a threat for the Garden State, New York City, and most of Long Island as well. So we'll watch that tomorrow to see if the Weather Service indicates any severe weather, any watches or warnings that may be issued. We'll let you know. But I think that will be limited when that weather front arrives here. Tomorrow, temperatures will be in the middle and upper 70s, a very sticky day, a tropical day, very humid in the air. And those showers and thunderstorms will be in the area as well, and that'll continue into tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, with temperatures staying in the 70s, dropping into the upper 60s overnight Thursday into wake up on Friday. Now, this weather front has been indicated to be to slow down a bit, so it will keep the threat for wet weather in our area at least through the first part of Friday. And during Friday, when that storm kind of moves into the area and then moves away, we'll have a brisk wind out of the north and northeast, so we'll feel chilly on Friday, only staying in the 60s, kind of a nor'easter. It's the same type of track that it's taking today, later this week, that we often see during the winter months. Of course, no snow is in the forecast, but the same track will allow the temperatures to stay cool in the 60s on Friday, with rain especially in the morning. Still the indication by most of the weather models that the storm will leave just in time for the holiday weekend. It may just be slow enough to keep us in the clouds for the first part of Saturday, but later Saturday, and especially on Sunday and Monday, that is when I think the weather will improve. Still looking overall for a very, very nice weekend, maybe just a gloomy gray start, that is, for Saturday, with some clouds in the area. It will stay cool for all 3 days, generally in the 60s to around 70, a bit of a breeze, but I think at this point, all plans are a go for all 3 days, Saturday, Sunday, and Memorial Day, Monday. We'll watch that for you. Hopefully the trends will continue this weather front to move through and not slow down and keep us in more clouds or even rain for Saturday. We'll see. Still going to be on the optimistic side and move this weather front through faster. So we'll look for a nice weekend coming up. Meteorologist Gil Rosette in Daly's Pond in South River, New Jersey. Taking a look back, noticing the clouds, feeling the mugginess, waiting for those breaks of sun, looking for the temperatures to get to between 80, maybe 85. I think we'll lower the temperatures just a tad because of the clouds, maybe closer to 80 overall on average for much of the area. A shower or thunderstorm may pop up later today and tonight, The likelihood is for showers and thunderstorms tomorrow with muggy air as well, and temperatures in the middle and upper 70s. Not looking for this to be a severe weather threat for us, but we'll monitor that for you tomorrow. And we'll watch that weather front slowly move across the area Friday, keeping the rain in the area, especially for the first part of the day. And looking forward to that front moving away by Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, keeping us sunny with highs in the 60s to around 70 degrees.